How to tell if you have been blocked on Android text. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can know if you have been blocked on Android text. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The first method is to check if your text delivers or not. Normally, Android messages will show delivered or read under your text. If those suddenly disappear and your message stays stuck with just one check mark, then that might indicate that you have been blocked. The second option that you can try is to go ahead and call that contact. Try to call that person, and if your call rings or goes straight to the voicemail every time, that's another sign that indicates that you may have been blocked. And the next method is to check if you can find your profile information. On some Android device, you may stop seeing their profile picture, status, or updates in their contact list or chats. So if that's your case, or if you cannot find your profile, then that can also indicate that you might have been blocked. And if you're still seeing, or if you used to see typing indication under the message reaction or read receipt, and if they are gone now, or if you cannot find that status that says typing, then it may be because you have been blocked. And if you're still not sure if you have been blocked or not, what you can do is you can simply try to send a message from another number, and if it goes normally, then that means you are probably blocked on your number only. So these are the quick checklists that will help you know if you have been blocked on your Android text. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.